There's still so much to do to put Americans back to work, cut our deficit, get our economy back to work. It's very important that we do this. At 5 p.m. today, the Senate will vote on the motion to invoke cloture on the motion to proceed to the Libya resolution.
This weekend, a local newspaper in Mississippi ran a lead editorial that wondered aloud whether the cancellation by the Senate of the Independence Day recess signaled a, quote, serious effort on the part of Senate leaders, unquote, and the White House to make headway in addressing the federal debt. Regrettably, the answer to that question is obviously no.
Instead of focusing on the issue at hand, which is what most people back in Tennessee or Virginia or some other place would do if they had a problem, we're going to focus on something possibly that is irrelevant and has nothing whatsoever to do with the issue at hand, just to make the American people think that we're doing something.
So the objection that I had and others had to going home and recessing this week was not to discuss the Libyan resolution. It was to get to work now to confront the financial situation that we're in.
We have a debt ceiling of over $14 trillion that is getting ready to be hit. And we need to focus on that and that alone during this week.
Notwithstanding the broad support for the Libya resolution, the most important thing for us to focus on this week is the budget.
Well, hopefully the American people remember this.